早起看世界，来看这个世界真大，咱人嘛毋是上介厉害的。全世界上大规模海洋研究计划，海洋普查经过国际团体合作了后，有公布一个上新的数字，讲因搁再发现866种全新的物种。若事实上，咱人所知影的海底动物，其实嘛敢若占海底的1/10尔。
研究家探勘计划海洋普查宣布发现866种新物种，像即只伫非洲外海发现的饭丝鲨、甲鲨鱼、航仔鱼同款，拢是软骨鱼类。即届发现的物种只是港口的第38种，比起鲨鱼已经知影有500种以上，是科学家了解也真少的领域。海洋普查是全世界上大规模的海洋环境研究计划，有400多个研究机构、800多个科学家共同参与。专家估计，目前人类已经发现的海洋物种，敢若占整体1成，出来9成包含200万种生物。不过，海洋环境破坏严重，探测工作要加速进行。
The average time period between something being collected and described in an academic publication is 13 years. And the challenges that our marine environment are facing, we can't wait that long. So accelerating marine discovery, just being able to say, even if it doesn't have a proper name, but being able to say that's new, is something really powerful.
海洋普查探测船会看情形派畅水员、深海机器人，也是畅水器。船顶有科学家24点钟监测，科学家用真侪种上新的技术，会当深入较侪较早无法度探测的地形甲深度。
So traditional sampling will, trawls, even long lines through bycatch, drop cameras, we'll get a lot of flat areas, but the walls that are behind me, and those really sharp topography areas are very rarely studied.
2025年海洋普查也会进行10个探测任务，入去更较侪唔知的领域，并为未来环境政策提供科学基础。海洋是地球上侪变化，也是上极端的环境之一。到即马也是有真侪唔知的所在。科学家一旦发现什么稀奇古怪的物种，嘛真使人期待。公司新闻尤派准编译。